Polymer diffusion welding is a new generation of diffusion welding machine. It is a conductive belt soft connection welding equipment. It is mainly composed of two parts, the host and the control, which can realize the diffusion welding between polymer materials. TATE Polymer Diffusion Welding Machine is currently the largest and most advanced polymer diffusion welding machine in China. Polymer diffusion welding machine is widely used in electric vehicles, electric power, chemical industry, smelting and other industries. It mainly produces busbar expansion joints and soft connection conductive belt products that are urgently needed in the industry, and can realize soft busbars, hard busbars, and hard busbars. Diffusion welding. The equipment has reasonable structure, simple operation, safe use and energy saving. Subscribe to our channel for more machine info.